Hey class, I'm here with my sidekick. We're going to check out some projects that I've done and maybe give you some inspiration on some projects you can do instead of doing the not as fun paperwork I send out each week on the emails. So here's some crazy fast stuff I'm going to show you real quick. You can install a wood stove. Probably a bigger, harder project. There's even a chimney outside. If you look around the stove, there's also some tile on the floor, tile on the walls. You can watch YouTube a million times over again, get some ideas for how to do tile. If that's something that your folks are into, obviously you'd have to get your parents on board to do some kind of tile job, but that's an option for you there as well. Maybe your water heater is leaking and it's time to get a new one. You can swap out your water heater. It's actually pretty easy and quick to do. Probably do it in an hour or two. Give you credit for a week or two and save you some time. Maybe you gotta swap something out like that for home project. Another option. Maybe you've got a huge, big, ugly pile of wood here that needs all cut up. Maybe you have a tree that falls down or needs to be cut down, like this ugly guy right here. You can cut up wood, depending on how long it takes or how much wood you have to cut. Maybe that'll give you credit for a week or two. You could split wood. You could stack it nice and flat. The pile back there. Any of those things would count for getting some credit, because you're going to learn about the process of how wood works. You're going to learn how a splitter works. You're going to lose a various number of tools. I got this old playset here. It needed a little fix me up, so I had some braces here on the side. You can see where the new wood is. That could count for an hour or two, a week or so. Maybe you want to just hang a swing up for a younger sibling. You can even hang a swing like this. Get the baby swing here. It's just a rope around a branch in a tree. Maybe you want to trim the trees. Maybe you want to trim the hedges. Maybe you want to do some landscaping. Whatever works for you, whatever works for your parents. Projects are all around the house. I want you guys to find something that's hands-on, something that you guys can do. So, in short, basically I want you to find stuff around the house that you can do, help your parents out, teach yourself a new skill, teach yourself how to do something. I'll be there to answer questions along the way, just email, text, whatever. Make sure you can get a hold of me. But find something that you want to do, or that your folks want you to do. This could be something that cleans up the house, organizes something, cleans up the yard, uses some tools. Really, that's the main goal here, is that you get experience doing something that you don't do a whole lot of or you haven't done before. You guys did that tool interview. It's really good. Many of you have parents that have pretty awesome jobs and skills, as I found out through that tool interview. So take advantage of those resources that you have available to you. Maybe you can put some outlets in somewhere or do something. Just make sure that you get your parents to okay whatever it is that you're going to do, and make sure that they're present in case something goes haywire or goes wrong. I don't want you to go out of your way to get materials for this. I want you to use stuff that you already have in the house. If you're already going out to the store to get something, then you could pick something up for a project like this. If you have other ideas, something I didn't show you, that's fine. Just run it by me real quick. When you turn this in, tell me how many hours you think you spent on it, how many weeks you think you deserve credit for, and I'll either yay, nay, give you more, give you less, but I'll try to aim for that ballpark that you're asking for. Hopefully I'll see you soon, but I think we know that won't be till next year. I mean, we'll see. Stay safe. I guess you guys want a full shot of the bar, so check it out. Here's the end that I really like. Nice epoxy pour. Turned out awesome. Look at that beautiful shine. Down here we got a bunch of ant holes, worm holes, bug holes. blue's really swirled in there nicely. I took about 7 pours, about 3/16 of an inch thick each. And then the 2x4 backside. Just 2x4s, but again, it's all epoxied.